Welcome to another beautiful vlog by 4A. If you watch my other ones, you know I went to IMATS and IBS. This time is Beautycon! You can meet YouTube stars and celebrities. This event is for beauty and meetups with your favorite YouTube celebrities. This event is 2 days and I got tickets for both days as VIP social, which means I can meet up YouTube stars and take photos with them. All of it cost me $200. Or you can buy same tickets, but instead of taking photos with your favorite celebrities, you can get a huge bag of beauty stuff. Also, those tickets gives you an hour early access to Beautycon. You can still buy tickets between $40 to $60 per day. You would not be able to get a huge goodie bag or meet YouTube celebrities, but there's plenty discounts for all brands. There's just so many brands like NYX, Inglot, MAC, L'Oreal, and more. An amazing part of this that if you take a cool picture at the photo booth from 360 to a cloud swing, you will get full-size free stuff, skincare or beauty products. My all-time favorite was by L'Oreal, the 360 video. I have never done one before and I love seeing that spinning camera around me. It was so much fun. And the second one was Swinging Clouds. That was by Olay. They gave me amazing full-size face cream that they just launched. And of course, how can we live in a world without Korean beauty? So many brands been introduced and they give out so many testers to try at home. MAC had the longest line to wait and they did pretty nice commercial with half-naked man. They actually did the same thing at IMATS. Yeah. I met YouTube stars like Generation DIY, Tacy Brooks, Nikita Dragon, Jay Versace, Sylvian Jenny, and Ricky Dillon. But that's not all. Ready for biggest names? Here we go! Today. My Life as Eve, Gigi, Zendaya, and even Paris Hilton came to the stage and give inspirational speeches and Q&A. Oh hey, by the way, click that subscription button and like and share this video as well. Thanks. Honestly, that was one of the best $200 I ever spent. I might have said that before, but definitely paid off. Brand Eka did Playtime with Lipstick, where you pay $5 and make your own with bare hands. Well, you wear gloves, but so much fun. I did pastel pink with lots of glitter. Also, you can pick free nail polish, and Lifetime TV, that's a brand name, did beautiful pink nails for me right there. Guys, if Beautycon will be near your city, absolutely go there. Next on my to-do list is requests for DIY. Almost at the point of putting together my studio and do DIYs, makeup, hair, fashion, and more. Thank you so much for watching and let me know in comments down below who's your favorite YouTube star. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and bye.